Fèis Phàislig is a music and arts organisation based in Paisley that provides opportunities in traditional music and Gaelic culture. In partnership with Renfrewshire Council, our Introduction to Scottish Music project delivers whole-class music sessions as part of Creative Scotland's Youth Music Initiative.
Fydd na sesiwn yn sio blasit Cheòl in Gaelic, Cheòl na Fíteach agus Cheòl tradiisianta am an nárinneach clascola.
Right now we have got tin whistle lesson going on with primary 5, so this is probably week 6 or 7. Children are absolutely loving it, and they're so engaged. They love it. They're a very musical class, but I think it would hook any children into music. This because it's fun. I would say that they really have gained listening and focus. Maybe children that have never been that interested in music before, who've never really considered music as something that they would be good at or something that they would enjoy. They've just taken a bit of enjoyment out of it, and I would say listening is a big part. So any class teacher would love that. Better listening skills.
Oh, they're really enthusiastic. They're easy to work with. I see a difference in their concentration skills. I see a difference in their creativity. They're really into the music, into learning new songs. They're really creative as well, so it's been really, really great.
He's a nice teacher. He does cool stuff with his guitar and his whistle. I don't know how you can make the noise with his tin whistle, it's so hard. John's really nice, he helps us with a lot of things, and yeah, he's really good. Your performance goes up a level and you can talk in front of loads of people, and I think it's a good experience.
For more information, please visit our website www.feisphàislig.com. Thank you.